Are you thinking of starting a business in Dubai and you are wondering about the process and costs involved in order to open a company in Dubai? Today in this video, I'm going to give you a complete guide, step-by-step guide of how to open a company in Dubai, what are the requirements and the steps, plus other points such as the cost involved in company incorporation and the recurring cost after opening a company in Dubai. So watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button in order to benefit from the videos in the future. Before starting, let's discuss why entrepreneurs choose Dubai. Entrepreneurs and investors choose Dubai for different reasons. One of the reasons is that Dubai is a business-friendly environment which provides different or huge number of advantages. One of them is the tax advantages. Dubai has zero personal income tax and very low corporate tax. This gives entrepreneurs and investors the opportunity to gain more profits and grow faster. Secondly, entrepreneurs they choose Dubai also for its world-class infrastructure and strategic location. Dubai acts as a global connector between Africa, Asia and Europe, making it easier for businesses to trade, travel and expand across multi-countries. So, as we have talked about Dubai, why entrepreneurs and investors choose Dubai to start a business, let's move to the next point of what is the process of opening a company in Dubai. Before we start discussing about what is the process of opening a company in Dubai, we have to understand that in Dubai and UAE there are three jurisdictions, which are free zone, mainland and offshore. These jurisdictions they differ from each other and the process differs from one to another. So what does the free zone mean? Free zone means a designated area where you can operate inside that free zone or outside internationally, outside the country. But the mainland is under DET where you can operate inside Dubai or internationally. They differ from each other and everyone has its benefits in terms of taxation or freedom of operation. For example, in the free zone, you can work inside that free zone or B2B in Dubai with getting special approvals plus internationally. And you will have also exemptions such as corporate tax exemption, VAT exemption, duty exemption. However, in mainland, you can operate freely in Dubai mainland without any restriction, but you will be obliged to pay taxes, corporate tax, as well as duties. The third jurisdiction which we have is that the offshore. Offshore means that you open a company outside UAE and you have great benefits including exemption from taxes, corporate tax, and you operate freely internationally. However, you cannot operate in Dubai using that trade license which is obtained from the offshore. So what is the process of opening a company in Dubai, whether in free zone, mainland or offshore? Generally, the process differs from one to another, but they have similar points. The most important things in the business setup process are initial approval, trade name reservation, memorandum of association, external approvals if applicable. There are external approvals which should be obtained while processing the trade license and some external approvals which will be obtained or should be obtained after getting the license. These points are the important points of the business setup process. What I can advise you with is that to check with a business setup expert who can help you choose between free zone, mainland and offshore and explain to you what is the exactly the process in that jurisdiction, because if we go to free zone the process is slightly different from mainland and offshore and vice versa. Now let's move to what are the documents required in order to open a company in Dubai. Opening a company in Dubai, whether in free zone, mainland or offshore, is a very easy process and simple process which requires only soft passport copy, personal passport size photograph, contact details, home country address and also the last entry stamp if available. please note that there might be extra documents such as business bank account statement or personal bank account statement required depending on the jurisdiction and the free zone where you are going to incorporate your company. Finally, we have reached to the point of how much does it cost to open a company in Dubai. Actually, the cost differs from one jurisdiction to another, from free zone to mainland to offshore, and there are many factors that can help us understand how much does it cost to open a company in Dubai. For example, your business activity and your jurisdiction, whether free zone or mainland, and how many visas are required. For example, employment visa and investor visa, plus other factors including the company name, whether it could be Arabic, English, and so on. So if you would like to know more and have a proper estimate, you can contact us at Assertive Zone. We will provide you fully free consultation of 45 minutes and help you start the process.